Sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle loss, affects up to half of adults over 80. But these are adults over 65 who rebuilt lost muscle and regained their independence, not in a gym, but using 5 simple exercises they could do at home. Most people don't realize that muscle loss starts quietly in your 30s and speeds up dramatically after 60. By the time you reach your 80s, you may have lost up to half your muscle mass if you do nothing about it. Scientists call this condition sarcopenia, and it affects somewhere between 11 and 50% of people over 80. But here's what the research actually shows, and this is the part that matters. According to the National Strength and Conditioning Association position statement on resistance training for older adults, consistent resistance training combined with adequate protein can increase muscle mass by 1 to 2% every single month, and it can boost your strength by 30 to 40% within just a few months of starting. So let me walk you through 5 exercises that clinical studies have proven work best for rebuilding muscle after 65, and you can do all of them right at your kitchen counter or with a sturdy chair. These exercises specifically target your fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones most affected by aging. Before we begin, a quick but important reminder. Always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have existing medical conditions. The first one is the chair squat. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart, then slowly lower yourself until your bottom barely touches the seat before standing back up. This movement strengthens your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings all at once, which are the exact muscles you need for getting up from the toilet or climbing out of a car. Start with 5 repetitions and work your way up to 3 sets of 10 over time. The second exercise is the seated leg raise. While sitting tall in your chair, straighten one leg out in front of you until it's parallel to the floor. Hold it for 2 seconds, then slowly lower it back down. This builds the strength you need for walking confidently and climbing stairs without feeling unstable. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg. Number 3 is the heel raise. Hold on to a counter or the back of a sturdy chair, then rise up onto your toes as high as you can and slowly lower back down. Your calf muscles play a key role in fall prevention, and this simple movement strengthens them effectively. Work toward 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. The fourth exercise is seated marching. Sit upright and lift one knee toward your chest like you're marching in place, then lower it and lift the other. This movement rebuilds hip flexor strength and improves the coordination you need for walking with confidence as you age. Start with 20 total lifts and gradually increase to 3 sets of 20. And finally, we have wall push-ups. Stand about arm's length from a wall, place your hands at shoulder height, then bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall before pushing back. Upper body pushing strength is essential for opening heavy doors, pushing yourself up from a bed, and recovering your balance after a stumble. 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions works well for most people. Now here's something equally important, because exercise alone isn't enough. Research shows that adults over 65 need at least 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, with 25 to 30 grams at each meal for best results. Aging muscles become resistant to protein signals, which is why this 25 to 30 gram threshold per meal is crucial. Focus on leucine-rich proteins like whey, eggs, and chicken. Leucine is the amino acid that directly signals your muscles to grow, and research shows older adults need about 2.5 to 3 grams per meal to trigger muscle building. Start with just 1 or 2 of these exercises 3 times per week. The key is progressive resistance, gradually increasing difficulty over time. Your muscles can rebuild at any age, but only if you give them the signal to grow.